Now, the next function that we want to take a look at is going to be the SUMIF function, and this is going to combine elements of the sum function and the if function. It's actually a really powerful and really frequently used function that you'll use inside of Excel as a data analyst, because what it allows you to do is sum up values inside of different cells if they meet certain conditions. For example, let's say that we want to sum up all the values where that category equals underpants, and if it doesn't, then we don't want Excel to try and sum up any of those totals. We can start by working with the SUMIF function by going over to this cell here, and we'll type the equal sign again, and then the word SUMIF, and then the open parenthesis. The next thing that we want to do is we want to specify the lookup column, and what this is it's going to be the column that we want to inspect to see if certain conditions are being met, and this is going to be column B. The next thing that we want to specify here is what the lookup condition needs to be, and in this case we want to specify the word underpants. And then the last thing that we want to do here is we want to select the column of the values that we're trying to sum up, and that's going to be the totals column. When we hit return, we get our answer, but let's take a moment to understand what Excel is doing behind the scenes when it's using this formula. What Excel is doing is it's walking through all of those rows in column B, and it's evaluating each one of them one at a time. For example, it starts off by looking at cell B2. It looks to see, does it equal the word underpants, because that's what we specified, and if it does, it's going to go capture in memory what that total value is for row 2. After that, Excel is going to work its way down. It's going to look at row number 3, and it's going to evaluate to see if cell B3 also equals underpants. When it doesn't find a match, it doesn't do anything with the totals value that's sitting in row 3 because the match didn't occur. So behind the scenes, Excel is going to continue doing this operation, walking through each one of the rows, and then when it finds that matching condition, it's just going to add up all those values, and then when it finishes, it's going to print out that final output in that cell that we created the formula within. Now, if you're not sure that you trust that Excel did this properly, one way that you can validate this is by going back up to the top here, turning on your filters, and then with the filters on, we can go ahead and specify that we want only the underpants being shown, and then we can highlight the rest of the cells over here for totals, and we see that we get the same answer as what our SUMIF function returned. Now, when you're looking at the bottom of your Excel worksheet like I am here, and you see the summary information being displayed, your Excel version might look a little bit different. Maybe it's showing average, maybe it's showing count, or maybe something's missing. All you have to do is right-click on that area down here, and you can just select sum, and that's going to give you the value that we're looking for.